Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a very easy and delicious caldo de camarón. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe we're going to need 3 to 4 pounds of shrimp, 5 New Mexico o guajillo chile pods, chile de árbol, 3 roma tomatoes, half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, 7 ounces of hot tomato sauce, a handful of cilantro, 3 medium potatoes, 3 carrots, celery, corn, and calavasita, 2 bay leaves, and all of our spices that will be listed in that description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so we're going to begin by prepping our ingredients for our sauce. To a small saucepan, heat up a little bit of oil. Once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add our onion, along with the garlic cloves. I'm going to give it about a minute. After the minute, add the roma tomatoes, and I just like to cut them in fourths. Going to mix it. Give it about another minute. After the minute, we're going to be adding our New Mexico or guajillo chile pods. Make sure to clean them, and I just like to cut them in half. Along with that, I'm also going to be adding chile de árbol. So just add it in there. And just give it about 30 seconds. Okay, and once you begin to smell the chiles, here we're going to be adding 2 cups of water. And now just bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, we're going to carefully transfer it to our blender cup. So now we can get ready to make our sauce. Okay, now to our blender cup, we're also going to be adding our hot tomato sauce, or you can use regular tomato sauce, along with our ground shrimp, shrimp bouillon, salt, oregano, and black pepper. And we're just going to be adding additional 4 cups of water. And now just blend it into smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, now we can get ready to take it back to the stove. Alright, so now to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to be adding our blended mixture. And along with that, 5 additional cups of water. Now here we're going to be adding our shrimp shells, and I just wrapped them into a cheesecloth, along with our 2 bay leaves. And if you have fresh epazote, add it in there. But I just have dry, so I'm just going to add it like that. Now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. So once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see you need to adjust it. And if you want to add some more shrimp bouillon, this is the perfect opportunity to do it. But this, for me, it's perfect. So now I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium, cover it, and allow the flavors from the shrimp to come to the broth. So just allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, my broth already smells like shrimp. So now we're just going to open it, and we're going to begin to add our vegetables. So here I have my potatoes. I have my corn, and I cut them into small pieces. And along with that, we're going to add our carrots and celery. And here I'm also going to be adding my handful of cilantro. So now we're just going to give it about 10 minutes, and then we can add the rest of our ingredients. And you can remove your shell. Of course, if you add your shells, like that without being wrapped, make sure to remove them before you add anything. But since I add it into a little cheesecloth, you can keep it in there or just remove it. It already served its purpose. So we're just going to allow our vegetables to cook, and then we'll be back. So after 10 minutes, the vegetables should be semi-soft. So here we're going to be adding our calavasita, and just give it about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, make sure that all of your vegetables are done. So they should be all nice and soft. So now we can get ready to add our shrimp, and just make sure to clean it. And I like to keep the shells on because that's how my dad likes it. And I'm making this caldito for him. Okay, now just mix them in. And the shrimp cooks very fast, so it should take about 2 to 3 minutes. And just like that, we have our delicious caldo de camarón. I guess, and as soon as our shrimp changes color, they are done. So now we can get ready to serve our delicious caldo de camarón. Well, let me tell you, that smells delicious. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course I like to serve my caldito with some lime juice, but to be honest, it doesn't need it. The broth is so flavorful on its own, it's just so perfect. I like to add a little onion and cilantro, and you can serve it with tortillas or tostadas or just enjoy it like that. But let me tell you that this right here is so easy to make, it's so delicious. My dad always says that it's un levanta muertos. It's perfect after a hangover. That's how he used to enjoy it. But I like my camarones to be naked, without the shell, without the skin. But like I mentioned, my dad likes it with the skin, so I left them like that for him. But I am so ready. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. And if you want to add more ground shrimp, so like that, you know, the broth is super intense and flavorful, or have more of a shrimp flavor, then you can do that. But just like that, this right here is so delicious. And you could always make it spicy by adding more chile de árbol, but this right here is so perfect. The vegetables, everything is just so cooked to perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious caldo de camarón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.